Hey, Victoria here from Credit Fix Solutions, and have I got a great success story for you today. Now, some people call up and seem to think that I have a magic wand. Well, I do have a magic wand from the $2 shop, but when it comes to credit repair, I don't get to use a fake magic wand. In fact, credit repair is not just a case of calling a credit provider, yelling at them down the phone, demanding that a default is removed. Even if you've paid the debt, a default can only be removed if found to be listed in error. Now, we worked our magic for a client recently. In 4 weeks, we had the cleared report back to our broker referral partner. Now, it's case ID 6109 for the record. Now, this was a really stressful case because the client had unconditional approval on a property. So property purchase, $688,000 loan. Broker could not get a prime lender to look at it. They would not budge with a small telco default on the report. Now, broker wanted to do the right thing and get this client into a prime loan, but not only that, the default stood on the report from 2020, which means that for the broker moving forward, and this client was going to be looking at doing finance again and again over the coming years, the default would cause a roadblock. It would cause stress. It would cause declines for this client for the next 3 years. But we managed to remove the default in just 4 weeks. The debt collector on behalf of the telco company agreed to remove it for us, further to some negotiations with them. Happy days, broker got a $688,000 loan across the line. He was very impressed with our work. I just got off the phone to him, so thank you for that feedback. And we wish you all the very best with your wealth creation journey with that customer. So get in touch today. There's nothing to pay us unless we can get a removal for you. Don't pay credit repair companies money up front. We only charge if and when we get a successful result for you, with fees as low as $1,100 per default removal. Terms and conditions apply. Get in touch, go to the website, fill in the contact form, and one of our friendly staff will be in touch with you to see how we can help. Thanks for listening.